Assalamualaikum. Okay, this is video part 8. So let's do some calculation and then we sketch a diagram from our calculation for ADAS in 3-sector economy. The formula for 3-sector economy. Okay, so formula equilibrium ADAS for 3-sector economy is Y equal to C plus I plus G. Okay, let's say the information given, C equal to 150 plus 0. How much? 0.4. YD I equal to RM 50 million. G equal to 250 million. RM 250 million. Tax equal to RM 20 million. Okay. This is for 3-sector. So for ADAS approach, the diagram for ADAS, sketch a diagram for ADAS. This is Y, national income in RM million. This is AD, also in RM million. And then 45-degree line, Y equal to AD. And then let's do our calculation. Y equal to C plus I plus G. So from the information, Y equal to 150 plus 0.4 YD plus 50 plus 250. So Y equal 300, 450, right? Okay, 150 plus 0.4 YD. Okay. Then YD, we need to change YD into Y minus T. Y equal to 450 plus 0.4 Y minus tax. Y equal to 450 plus 0.4 Y minus tax equal to 20. Okay. Y equal to 450 plus 0.4 times Y, 0.4 Y, 0.4 times 20, 0.4 times 20, get 8. So Y equal to 450 minus 8, 442, right? Plus 0.4Y. Okay, 442 plus 0.4Y. This is the equation when C plus I plus G in what we call it, in Y, or 450 plus 0.4 YD, 450 in YD, or 442 in Y. So if you want to sketch a diagram, you need to decide you want to draw a diagram by using the equation of Y or equation of YD. Let's say I want to use the equation of Y. So I will sketch the equilibrium for 3-sector is when Y intersect with C plus I plus G, and the equation for C plus I plus G is, let's say I want to use the equation of Y, so 442 plus 0.4Y, and then the amount here is 442, and this is the equilibrium point, right? The equilibrium point, and the amount of national income equilibrium is Y minus 0.4Y equal to 442. 0.6Y equal 442 divide 0, yeah, y equal 42, and then y equal to 442 divide 0.6. So y equal Rm 442 divide 0.6. Answer is Rm 736.67 million. So the amount of here is 736.67. Okay. This is for 3-sector ADAS. For leakage injection, diagram for leakage injection. Okay, this is y in Rm million. This is leakage and injection 0. Okay, the injection use the same question. Formula equilibrium S plus T equal I plus G. So, calculate S is negative 150 plus 250 plus 0.6 YD plus tax 20 equal to I 50 plus G 250. Okay. Then negative 150 we put it at the other another side. So left here is 0.6 YD equals 50 plus 250 plus 150 minus 20, right? Okay, so 0.6 YD, change it into y minus tax. So 0.6 times y minus tax equal to how much here? How much? 50 plus 250 plus 150 minus 20, you get 430. So 0.6 times y minus t equal to 20. Okay, 20 equal 430. Then 0.6 times y minus 0.6 times 20 equal to 12 equal to 430. And then 0.6y equal to 430 plus 12. 0.6y equal to 442. Y equal to 442 divide 0.6. So you get y equal Rm 736.67 million. Okay, so to insert the information into the diagram. So equilibrium occur when S plus T intersect with I plus G. Okay, what is the amount of I plus G? I plus G equal to 50 plus 200. 50 equal to 300. So here is 300. S plus T, equation for S plus T. S plus T. So what is the amount of S plus T? Okay, let we recalculate. For S plus T equal to negative 150 plus 0.6 YD plus 20 equal to negative 130 plus 0.6 YD. This is the equation in YD, or you want to use the equation for Y. So S plus T equal to negative 130, sorry, negative 130 plus 0.6 y minus t, negative 130 plus 0.6 y minus 20, tax is 20, equal negative 130 plus 0.6 y minus 0.6 times 20 equal to 12. So here negative 142 plus 0.6y. So this is the equation for s plus t. So s plus t here is equation negative 142 plus negative 142 plus 0.6y. Okay, so here is negative 142. This is equilibrium point, and the amount of national income equilibrium is our answer here 736.67. Okay, that's all the calculation and the diagram for 3 sector economy. Bye.